Hi guys, in today's video I will show you the exact quality effects and settings I use in After Effects. To clarify, I don't use any paid plugins to improve my video quality for Instagram Reels, so let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. This is the video I'll be using for this tutorial. After you finish color grading your videos, create a new adjustment layer above all your clips. On the adjustment layer, apply two effects, sharpen and unsharp mask. The settings I'm using are based on my personal preference. I found them to be the sweet spot for my style, but that doesn't mean they are the absolute best settings for everyone. You can increase the values if you want a sharper and crisper image, but for me these settings keep the videos looking clean. Set the sharpen amount to 30. Under unsharp mask, set the amount to 35. Set the radius to 25. Now let me zoom into the image and show you the before and after comparison. With the effects turned off, you can clearly see how soft the image looks. And if we upload this video to Instagram Reels, it will become low quality because Instagram's compression reduces image quality too much. Now let me turn the effects back on. The image now looks much sharper, crisper, and more detailed. Uploading the video to Instagram will still add compression, but the quality will hold up much better and keep the video looking crisp, giving it more of a 4K look. You can take your time and adjust the settings further if you want, but as I mentioned earlier, these values are the sweet spot. Just be careful not to overdo it, because too much sharpening can easily ruin the image. Also, this isn't the end, because it also depends on the settings you use when exporting the video. I'll show you my exact export settings as well. Press Ctrl+M on your keyboard to add the video to the render queue. Click Output Module. Make sure the format is set to H.264, then click Format Options. These are my settings for Instagram uploads. The profile is always set to high, and the level is set to 5.1 for optimal compatibility and quality. I use CBR bitrate encoding for Instagram Reels, but for longer videos like YouTube, I use VBR1 pass. And that's it. These are the effects and settings I use. Nothing special, difficult, or paid. You can get better results with AI tools, sure, but I don't currently use or subscribe to any paid software. If I do in the future, I'll definitely make a tutorial on it.